Welcome to our video on 12 closet features that are no longer worth installing. Today, we'll explore outdated trends and features that can hinder the functionality and appeal of your closet space. From wasting valuable square footage to ignoring modern buyer preferences, we'll dive into the elements that may not serve you well anymore. Whether you're renovating or simply looking to optimize your storage, this video will provide insights to help you make more informed design choices. Let's get started. 1. Outdated walk-in closets waste precious square footage. Step into an old-school, oversized walk-in closet and you might feel a little disappointed. What once screamed luxury now often feels like wasted space, especially in homes where every square foot counts. Designers today see value in smart, compact layouts with modular shelving and flexible systems. A sprawling closet with blank corners and hard-to-reach shelves can actually make you feel less organized, not more. Homebuyers are noticing too. Recent market insights show buyers prioritize efficient storage over sheer size. Imagine turning an awkward corner into a beauty station or adding a window seat instead. Suddenly, the room feels alive, not just filled. Big doesn't always mean better when it comes to modern closet design. 2. Complicated shoe racks add frustration, not function. Ever tried to find your favorite pair of boots in a maze of tangled metal racks and pull-out trays? Overly complicated shoe storage often takes up too much space and quickly becomes a clutter trap. Modern organizers and professional stagers now recommend open shelving or clear, stackable bins. With everything visible at a glance, you'll actually wear those shoes hiding in the back. It's amazing how a simple swap can make your morning routine feel less frantic. One designer even joked, if your shoes are playing hide and seek, your closet is losing. Function wins over fancy mechanisms every single time. 3. Excessive lighting fixtures overwhelm small spaces. Layered chandeliers or ornate sconces might look great in magazines, but in real life, too much lighting hardware in a closet can feel busy and overwhelming. The trend has shifted toward streamlined LED strip lights tucked under shelves or inside cabinets. These offer even, flattering light without cramping the visual space. A recent house survey showed that 70% of buyers prefer simple, built-in lighting over statement fixtures in closets. It's not just about brightness, it's about feeling calm and uncluttered when you step inside. Light should reveal your wardrobe, not steal the show. 4. Fixed hanging rods miss storage opportunities. Traditional hanging rods run wall to wall at a fixed height, usually leaving wasted space above and below. Adjustable rods, double hang systems, and slide-out racks are changing the game. These options let you customize based on what you actually own, whether that's long dresses or a collection of short jackets. Designers love installing modular rods so homeowners can tweak their setup as their wardrobe evolves. One stager shared, a single fixed rod is like a landline phone in a smartphone world, just not flexible. Customizable storage creates a closet that grows with you. 5. Built-in dressers limit flexibility and adaptability. A built-in dresser might seem like a clever space saver, but it can lock you into a layout that doesn't fit your life down the road. If your needs change, that big chunk of immovable cabinetry suddenly feels like a burden. Standalone dressers or modular drawer units can be moved, swapped, or even removed altogether. This flexibility is a selling point for buyers who want to personalize their storage. Just ask anyone who's tried to reconfigure a closet with a giant built-in. It's harder than moving a piano. 6. Closed storage makes closets feel dark and crowded. All those heavy cabinet doors and enclosed bins can create a cave-like vibe, making it harder to find what you need. Designers now favor open shelving, glass front cabinets, and see-through bins that keep everything visible and airy. Natural light from a nearby window or simple LED strips can bounce around, making the closet feel much more inviting. A home staging expert recently said, "If you can't see it, you won't wear it." Visibility sparks inspiration and mood. Don't hide your style behind closed doors. Asterisk. 7. Overly ornate hardware distracts from clean lines. Decorative knobs and handles can be fun, but when they're too ornate, they can quickly date your closet. Minimalist pulls, matte finishes, and hardware that blends with your cabinetry are now the gold standard in both new builds and remodels. This shift isn't just about looks, it's about creating a space that feels timeless and easy to update. Picture swapping out a gold floral knob for a sleek black pull. Instantly, your closet feels more current. Asterisk. Details matter, but simplicity endures. Asterisk. 8. Bland, unpersonalized spaces feel like afterthoughts. A closet with no personal flair can feel cold and uninspiring, a missed opportunity for daily joy. Designers recommend adding small touches, a piece of art, a patterned rug, or a favorite photo. Even a small upholstered bench can turn the space into a mini retreat. In one recent project, a custom wallpaper behind the shoe shelves transformed the closet into a true style statement. Asterisk. When a closet feels like you, getting dressed becomes a pleasure, not a chore. Asterisk. 9. Ignoring sustainability misses modern buyers' values. Eco-friendly design isn't just a buzzword. It's a real selling point for buyers and a feel-good choice for homeowners. Reclaimed wood shelves, recycled metal rods, and low VOC finishes are popping up in high-end and entry-level closets alike. Recent Zillow reports show green features can boost resale value and attract more interest. Choosing sustainable materials isn't just about the planet, it's about creating a unique story for your home. Asterisk. Sustainable choices give your closet character and conscience. Asterisk. 10. No space for seasonal rotation creates chaos. Crowded rails and jumbled bins make it hard to find what you need, especially when seasons change. Modern closet designs now include easy access bins, dedicated zones for off-season storage, and even labeled pull-out drawers. One stager compared skipping seasonal rotation to keeping your holiday decorations out year-round. Pretty, but totally impractical. Swapping items by season frees up space and makes daily dressing smoother. Asterisk. When your closet matches the season, your whole morning feels lighter. Asterisk. 11. Skipping organization tools leads to daily stress. Without dividers, trays, and labels, even the most beautiful closet can morph into chaos. Organization pros swear by clear bins for accessories, pull-out trays for jewelry, and labeled sections for different categories. These small investments add up to major time saved. Imagine always finding your favorite scarf without a frantic search. It's not just about order, it's about peace of mind. Asterisk. Organization tools turn chaos into calm, one box at a time. Asterisk. 12. Ignoring resale value makes upgrades a gamble. Closet features that are too personalized or quirky can actually hurt your home's appeal when it's time to sell. Real estate agents and designers alike recommend classic, flexible storage solutions that suit a wide range of lifestyles. Buyers look for smart layouts, neutral finishes, and easy-to-adapt systems. As one agent put it, a closet that's too unique can be a deal-breaker. Keep it versatile, and you keep your options open. Design with tomorrow in mind, not just today. Asterisk.